Hi guys, welcome back to the Garden Novice. Today I'm going to clean my polytunnel on the inside because the outside's a bit wet. I've got a product called Polytex Pro, and that's the stuff. It's a concentrate solution that's biodegradable and environmentally friendly, so it won't harm what plants I've got in here. Plus I don't have to run out the tunnel and lock it up once I've sprayed it. It's not going to affect my health or my chest. Along the bottom of the polytunnel it's more green algae than higher up, but I'm going to spray the full inside of the tunnel. You can see it's quite green all the way along until I get to the extended part. You can see the difference. So I'm hoping that this side, which is a year old, cleans as good as this side, which is a week old. So we'll see. A recent video from Pete Trenouth, I'll put the link in the description, showing Pete cleaning his polytunnel. Now Pete's polytunnel is polythene and he's got a timber frame, so and he used a product called Algon. Algon's a concentrate as well, mixed with water at a ratio, and he sprayed his polythene and his timber. He was pretty pleased with the timber because I cleared all the algae off the timber, ready for putting a wood preserver on. But the polythene, he said he may as well have just washed it with washing up liquid. So I'm going to compare this Polytex Pro with the Algon, see how this cleans it off me polycarbonate. I still might need to use a soapy wash afterwards, but we'll see how it goes. Right, here we go guys. I've mixed 250 milliliters of this Polytex Pro and with 5 litres of water as per instructions. Give it a good mix, pump it up, let's spray. We'll start at the bottom, work way up. It's going on nice, plenty on. I start at the bottom, and then, because that's the worst, and then the top stuff I run down and give it another coat. When the roof part doesn't get too bad. It's the bottom where all the plants are and all the water runs getting done. I got in here amongst these brassicas without disturbing the brassicas too much. Oh yes. Alright. I say it doesn't harm plants, it's biodegradable stuff, it's environmentally friendly, so I'm not too worried about splashing them. I'll do the outside on a drier day because I don't want it to rain and wash it all off before it has a chance to work. I'm going to move these seeds over here so we don't knock the buggers off. That's going alright. Right. Well, last panels and we're done. Should be enough in this to finish this a little bit at the end. Get sprayed over. Well, that's my polytunnel sprayed with Polytex Pro algae remover. We'll see how it performs. I've done all the sides right up to the roof on both sides. I'll leave it about a week, I think, and see if it lifts the algae. Then we'll see if I need to give it a soapy wash as well. And the outside, I'll just give it a soapy wash. So that's it for me for now. I'm going to clear it up. Thanks for watching, and I'll make another video in about a week's time when the Polytex Pro's had a chance to remove the algae off the polytunnel. Bye for now.